Hi, welcome back to day 21 of our 28-day standing challenge. More information about the challenge is in the video description if you're just coming here and catch this video alone and want to see the rest of them. The playlist is down below. Let's open. And let's look at the concept of circles. So if we shift our weight to the left, turn out the right, come in and tap, step out in a Tai Chi lunge into the bow arrow stance, weight forward, weight to the back, weight to the front, weight to the back. Whenever we're in the bow stance, the weight is 60 to 70% mostly on the front leg, the left leg, if you're mirroring me. So if I shift to the back and I turn to the right and I turn to the front and I turn to the right, turn to the front, turn to the right, and my hands start to come along, my hand can go up palm to the sky. The inside of my hand comes toward me. Circles, crosses, brushes past my knee, continues the circle. This is like waving to some friends. Come over here. The weight shifting and the turning does most of the arm movement. And then what if we get the rear hand involved? Palm coming toward us. This is like throwing a baseball or serving in tennis. The forehand. Weight shifts back. Weight shifts to the front. Turning to the side. Arm gets involved. Inhale. Exhale. We're flowing. We're going pretty fast now to make it easy. But we're doing circles, kind of like warm-ups. What happens if we take these two movements and put them together? So, right hand palm down, left hand palm up, and they both circle. Both circle, both circle, continuous, slowing down. We get two circles going at the same time. Two circles. And if we compact this a little bit, brush, knee, and push. Hold the fish, hold the ball, hold the fish, brush, knee, and push. If we switch to the other side, shift to the left, shift to the right, turn out to the left, come up and step out, weight forward, weight to the back, turning. One hand. We're doing the serve, we're doing the baseball. The other hand comes in, both hands, brush, knee, and push. So what happens if we go the other way? Weight forward, weight to the rear, to the front, to the rear, to the front, to the rear, turning, to the side, to the front, to the side, to the front. What happens if this arm comes up? The backhand, like a backhand tennis, circles around. What happens if this hand comes up? The back side of the hand circles around. And then both. We're just playing around, so get a little bit loose with it. Do it wrong, do it right. We're circling. We're circling. One arm, then the other, then both arms. Cloud hands. From the front, cloud hands. From the front, brush knee and push. Tick, tock. Tick, tock. Just some experimentation, some playing, some having fun with circles to get the feel of Tai Chi. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow.